What's up, guys? So today we started solving the new GRE math GRA 767 form. Okay, so before I start, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first one, S is a plan in a Euclidean 3 space containing 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Then as basically you can see the three of them contains on all of them contains y equals to 0. So basically the answer is xz plane. XZ plane answer is B. Okay, the number 2 A, B, C are real numbers, which of following are necessarily true. Okay, okay, so first one say that if A is smaller than B, then 1 over A greater than 1 over B. This is false. Since suppose minus 3 is smaller than let me see 2, then this definitely will not be correct because this is negative number, this is positive number. Okay, second, if A is smaller than B, then AC is smaller than BC for all C. This is not correct. This is only correct when C is positive. Okay, and the third one is correct because if A is smaller than B, then A plus C is smaller than B plus C. This is because you can cancel C both sides by just minus C. And the number 4, if A is smaller than B, then minus A larger than minus B. This is correct. So the answer is the number 3 and number 4. The answer is C. This is simple enough. Okay, so number 3. Okay. So double integral. Okay, so we do the x integral first. We do the y integral first. Sorry. So this is y squared over 2 divided by y squared divided by 2 and x0 x d times dx integral from 0 to 1. And then this is 0 to 1 x cubed divided by 2 dx. And then this is 1 over 8 x to the first power divided by 8 and 0 to 1. So this is 1 over 8. So the answer is B. The answer B is B.